How to sign up for a new account on AliExpress. Hey guys, today I'll show you a quick and easy method to create a new account on AliExpress. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser or the application, and then from here, you can just go ahead and search for AliExpress and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see, aliexpress.com. And what you're going to have to do next is simply make sure to tap on the profile icon at the top right, or you could just tap on the three lines right here to log into your account or create one. Once you tap on the profile icon, you go to the account section. Now you can select your location, and if this is your first time, you are going to have to create an account. So what you're going to have to do is simply enter your email address. And if it has already been registered, you're going to be taken to the sign-in page. If not, you're going to have to register for a new account. So if you've forgotten your password, tap on this forgot password option. Or additionally, you can log in with your email code. If you tap on sign in with an email code, you'll be sent a code on your email. You're just going to have to enter the code here and then tap on the sign in button. Or if this is your first time, you're going to have to create an account from there and you should be good to go. So that's how you basically create an account on AliExpress. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.